In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can restart GTA 5 Online here on your Xbox Series X. This is super simple to do. And if you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, restarting GTA Online on Xbox is a little bit different than PC, but it is still super duper easy to do and it'll let you restart fresh. Essentially, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is open up your settings, go to this online tab right here, scroll down, and you're going to see either a swap characters option or a manage characters option. From here, you can just create a brand new character and start over at level 1. This is essentially going to give you a fresh character. Just keep in mind it does not fully reset your mission progress. If you are looking for a complete reset, including missions, there is another option though. Your Xbox account is essentially linked to a Rockstar Games social club account, and you just need to unlink it. To do this, just head over to the Rockstar Games social club option and sign in using your phone, PC, or console browser. And whenever you are in here, find the linked account section and just disconnect your Xbox from your Rockstar account. After unlinking it, go back to your GTA 5 Online on your console and you'll be able to start from the very beginning. Another option is to log into your Xbox using a different Rockstar Games account. Whenever you do this, GTA Online will launch as if you are a brand new player, letting you start fresh that way as well. But yeah, that's really all there is to it. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.